Hey, 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 virtual family. This is Charnel Rose tapping in with you from the inspiring space of Elevation Avenue. I have a quick question for you. Are you an entrepreneur selling digital products and services? Imagine a social platform available on desktop or mobile where you can showcase your brand in a dynamic 3D form, complete with interactive elements, all within a customized virtual room designed just for you and your community. Would you be interested in taking your brand to the next level? If this is you, Witness the Elevation is here to help you. Be sure to inbox the word virtual and we will get back to you. Thanks for your time. Peace.